Welcome to our third episode of Build Smart Uganda. Today, I'm answering some of the questions that you have been sent through our social media. One of the questions, how much does it cost to build a house in Uganda? I will simplify it. Many Ugandans start building the house, but they fail on the way plate. The dream home becomes stress, and one of the reasons is because you didn't plan well. So in building, we have what we call planning, feasibility study, and all these need to be put in place. So let's look at land. That's the most thing that you need to have before you build. Is this land registered? Is this land in right channels? When that is okay, you look at the designs. This I talked in my previous episodes. Those who have not watched, please refer in my previous episode. After getting those drawings from a trusted architect or structural engineer, then you go to the next phase. You get the bills of quantities. After getting that cost of the house, then you look at the materials. So we have what we call locally accessed materials, or then we have what you call those that you get from hardwares. Those that you get locally, I mean the bricks, the sand, the aggregates, the hardcore. Look at your local supplier, negotiate with him. This is where the transport comes in. Make sure that he gives you a good deal about the transport. Then get a contractor who is to provide labor. You can either give him a lump sum contract, that is labor and supply of materials, or on the labor. Then we shall have to put the size of the house into square meters. These square meters will help us to determine how much each square meter will go for. Then we shall have to determine the kind of finishes that we shall be doing. Finishes are one of the most important things that can either raise the cost of the building or make it down. Finally, I want to give you a piece of advice. You need to avoid the mistakes that have costing many Ugandans. And what are these mistakes? Do not go away from the base of quantities. I mean, if you have settled for a certain design, do not change midway construction. Do not change your contractors because your relatives have told you this one is better or the other one is better. If you have trusted source of materials, if you have your hardware guy, do not change from one person to another, because you should have pre-investigation about the materials that you want. So giving him a contractor supply, you should have had all those materials. And in Uganda, it's not about how much money you have to build. No, but how have you planned your construction journey? Are you using professionals or you're just using a layman? So build smart, build Uganda.